What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. You looking for a lightning connector for your Osmo Pocket? Well, if you are, you're probably like me, and you may have lost the original one. Small pieces tend to go missing. No fault of the owners, though. No fault of the owners. Hey, so I picked this up because it was super cheap. As you can see, it comes in a little package that looks like for our scent here, but it only includes one. Fell out. And this was only like $7.99. Anbee iOS adapter, and this little piece, wherever it is, hope you find your way home. As you can see it here, it has a lightning connector. It has the connections to slide in here and connect, and my hope is that it works. I would say that the plastic molding doesn't quite look as good as the official one. It's got a little bit of a bird, like the flashing between the mold pieces, but color-wise it looks pretty good, and should just slide in there. And now the question is, will it connect to my iPhone? So I use this to connect to my iPhone, and as you can see, it's downloading the firmware to install it. So I found it, it streamed the image to the camera app itself, so no problems there. So I really like it, especially considering that the actual Osmo branded connector is like 50 bucks. So a cheap version like this is certainly welcome. I will also say kind of the unexpected benefit of this is this little plastic case. So for this connector, the USB-C connector, you can put them in here, maybe have a tendency to lose them less, and so it's kind of nice. This little plastic box is like 10 cents worth of plastic, but it could be helpful too. So if you want to pick this up, I will put a link to it in the description. It works. Peter from Panda, out.